Hello, I'm here to learn how to bake. Make a cake.
About time.
That's right. Got some sugar,
Crime.
some flour, bowl, eggs, pans, coconut flour into the Pyrex. Tap it, look at it, put it back down, take a scoop more, chuck it right in, give it another shake, finger it a bit, look it up in the light, tap it again a couple of times, put it back down, and Bob's your uncle. Now, right into the bowl, a little bit of that, whatever it was. 1 3/4 cups of sugar. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
I think I mixed them last
Sugar. Give it a shake, give it a poke, and top it up. Bicarb soda.
Buy some carb.
A bit of cacao. 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 Give it a shake. Look at it some more. Put it back down. Have a think. What else is happening here? Got some eggs. Got to beat their ass. Bit of salt. Give it a couple of taps. Wax. Grab a jar. Take that jar full of bicarb. Take a spoon or two. Chuck it right in. That's right. A little sprinkle. I'm gonna melt some oil for you. Put that into the cake. Man, like to watch oil boil. Coconut oil. Watch it. Boil. Just gotta use some Taylor Swift. There you go. Start the oven.
Wait, 176 on the cake
76.
setting.
176.
Oh, did I do
One.
the cake?
166. Wiggle. Me want coconut milk for my cake.
Oh, it smells so good.
Oh, you wanna mix it, do ya? Oh, you wanna mix it up and put some more stuff in. You pour it in a pan, put it right in. That's right, my friend. You want some cake? Or sardines? Sardines, here it is. All for me. Cool rack, bro. Alright, so now we got some sugar and we have butter. We have a bit of hazelnut milk and some starch. Yeah. Smoking. Yeah. Yum. It's like poop. Whoa. Spreading manure. You want cake? Full of poop? Nice poopy cake? It's brown like you. Are you a piece of poop?
Could have put a bit more on that
Huh?
side.
You're a piece of poop? Poop cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mama. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Mmm.